Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is August 4th of the year 2025, and here I am doing a random bonus problem, one that I haven't done yet. But we'll keep the difficulty not so hard, so let's just keep it medium today. And then we'll do a random one that I haven't done yet. Is it that I have 322 problems left? Oh, I have to use the algorithms only. Okay. I was like, that feels a little high, but the reason being that there are just a lot of like SQL problems or something like that. All right, let's take a look. We have a premium like crazy thing going on, so let's take a look. We haven't done this yet, so yay, new problem. 364 nested list rate sum 2. All right. You're given a nested list of integer nested list, integer or a list. The depth is the number of lists it is inside of. Okay. For example, the rate of the integer is the max depth minus the depth of the integer plus 1. What? Oh, I see. So it's like a reverse thing. Return the sum of each integer in nested list multiplied by its rate. And what is all this stuff? I'm so confused. I guess we're getting a nested integer. I guess it just makes it so that they don't have like a list of lists or something. I don't know. This is very weird, but okay. I guess first of all, let's get the number of lists. Oh, sorry, the depth. And or we could just do it in one pass actually, right? So maybe we just do like or not necessarily one pass because you have to do a second pass, but the one pass just like get everything we need, right? So maybe we just do it recursively. So we just go I don't know, get my thing is terrible. So get things. Man, naming things is tough. Sorry friends, I'm just gonna go and go. It's what I name in contests and stuff like that because naming things is hard and I don't want to spend time wasting it. And usually I do a little bit better, but today I don't know. Yeah, so you have a current maybe, right? And then let's just say M is equal to I guess we have to check. Why would we ever add? Okay. So then now if current is integer, is it? Is integer, then oh I should do a depth thing, right? Then r dot append the current dot get integer depth, right? Else it's a list. So what do we want to do for a list? So we say I don't know. Naming things is hard. L is equal to current dot get list, and then for C in L we want to just go C depth plus 1, and I think that's it, right? So we go nested list 0, right? And then we can print R, and then we can just do the math later. I mean the math is actually pretty straightforward, right? So we might, so I just list object has no. I thought this is a listed integer. What is a list? Okay, so we get a list. You get a list, right, and it goes back. But I thought this is an S integer. Isn't it a nested list of nested lists? I don't get it. So it's a list of nested, yeah, a nested list of a nested integer, right? So that means that how is this even possible? All right, let's just print it out real quick. Maybe that helps. I'm kind of confused, but maybe I just did something silly. All right, so the first one, we have an integer. I don't know. It's a list with. I guess there's this one actually, right? Oh, yeah. So this is the first element, I suppose. Oh, this is the first element, right? So we have a list, we go list, And then, yeah, this should be a nested integer, right? Why is that a list? L is equal to current.getList. Huh? Oh, wait. Oh, this... That's silly. Okay. Why do they do that? Nested integer can already contain a list. Why is there a list of nested integers? Okay. I mean, that is just kind of confusing, honestly. I mean, it's fine. It's just confusing. That's all. Right? I was like, I don't get what I'm seeing here. All right. Well, this is why, you know, and yeah, no, you have one at one depth. Okay. I mean, mine's are off by 1 because I start at 0. So, but you reverse it, you subtract it from the max anyway, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, so this looks right, and then this, yeah, this also looks right. So we should be pretty Gucci, right? Right, we can get the max depth by, I mean, you probably could actually just do it here, right? Like, okay, fine, right? Max depth is 0, right? Non-local max depth. Yeah, I don't know why I'm typing so poorly today. And then now we just go through the list, right, for the total. Total is equal to 0 for, let's just CD in R. Terrible variable names. Maybe I'm just not in, my heart's not in the game today. Yeah, then the rate is just max depth minus the D plus 1 times C, right? And then that's it. I mean, a little bit confusion about the nested list and nested integer size. Seems pretty straightforward. Hopefully I say that without a wrong answer, because that happens a lot and I am always a little bit embarrassed. But I mean, otherwise this is just like a, if you even think about this as like a tree, it's just a multi-tree traversal type thing, right? Where you have like maybe integers at the leaf node, if you want to think of it that way, and list is just having different branches, you know, where you can swim and dance. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I mean, this is linear time, linear space. Don't know that you can do better on either. So yeah, just look at everything. Yeah, I mean, maybe you could do without linear space, but then you have to do 2 passes. Maybe that's fine. I don't know, because that's all of 1 space. If you could just, I mean, you run it once to get the max depth. You could actually probably do it in 1 pass if you're really smart about maths. I am not, but I mean, actually, it's not that hard. I think you could do it in 1 pass. You just have to be really careful about the math by multiplying everything with the depth, and then you figure out. Maybe figure out the sum of all the or like, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong on that one. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you did it in all one pass. Maybe you could do some math tricks. I need to go for my one. So that's it. That's all I have for today. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay good. Stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.